Buckle up. We're about to land on the single most exclusive private island estate in the entire world, right here. This unparalleled perspective showcases the sheer scale of the 55,000 square foot Star Island compound and its private mega yacht docks. This unbelievable layout perfectly combines grand-scale structural geometry with absolute pristine billionaire tier luxury. Welcome to the absolute peak of the coastal elite lifestyle. This is true horizontal waterfront supremacy. Experience unparalleled open-concept luxury in this gorgeous secondary indoor lounge designed specifically for high-end elite coastal relaxation. Control the entire 55,000 square foot compound effortlessly with this top-tier integrated smart automation touchscreen system.
Even the guest powder room is a masterpiece, featuring floating white stone counters and elegant champagne gold backlighting.
As dusk falls, the magnificent 3,500 Kelvin architectural lighting completely transforms the mansion into a glowing masterpiece. This specialized indoor relaxation pavilion serves as your personal day spa retreat, designed for absolute quietude and peace. Relax inside this beautifully appointed poolside lounge deck that transitions effortlessly out toward the breathtaking open-concept bayfront vistas. This completely enclosed private indoor pool lounge sanctuary offers an additional level of ultimate tranquility and serene modern wealth. Gaze through these soaring, seamless glass panels overlooking your very own private manicured tropical fruit tree courtyard garden oasis. This magnificent open-concept indoor-outdoor terrace space blurs the lines completely to enjoy the ultimate breezy coastal billionaire lifestyle. This state-of-the-art linear air conditioning system is seamlessly integrated into the custom ceilings for flawless climate control. Your private estate staff will live in absolute comfort inside these beautifully appointed, ultra-modern, high-end living quarters. Marvel at this custom-curated billionaire-level furniture selection featuring bespoke teal velvet sofas and polished white marble tables.
These premium seamless white lacquer cabinets offer pristine storage with fully integrated custom champagne gold soft close hardware. Even the room doors are massive custom light oak masterpieces standing 10 feet tall with exquisite integrated gold handles.
Walk across these massive, ultra high-end polished stone floor tiles that bounce the gorgeous natural Florida daylight perfectly. The bespoke walls feature pristine, pure white Venetian plaster, accented beautifully by custom geometric gold inlay patterns throughout. Look up at these spectacular layered floating ceilings featuring integrated champagne gold trim and recessed dynamic ambient architectural lighting lines.
Even the private mudroom entryway is flawlessly executed with custom millwork, pristine gold hardware, and zero clutter.
The secondary service stairs maintain a highly sophisticated minimalist Tony Stark vibe for seamless estate operations always. The secondary service stairs maintain a highly sophisticated minimalist Tony Stark vibe for seamless estate operations always. Behold this breathtaking sculptural floating marble staircase. It is a literal multi-million-dollar work of modern art. Bring nature directly inside with this gorgeous, sunlit indoor botanical zen garden that provides an instant calming atmosphere. Showcase your finest vintage collection inside this ultra-modern, climate-controlled, seamless glass-enclosed wine vault system. Expand your mind inside this stunning contemporary home library, packed with custom built-in shelving and rich oak textures. Glam up inside this ultra-luxury private makeup room, featuring professional lighting and breathtaking bespoke champagne gold finishes. Unwind inside the beautifully appointed romance room, featuring deep velvet accents, pristine white finishes, and warm ambient glow.
This massive master walk-in closet is a literal high-end luxury boutique, showcasing flawless custom gold backlit wardrobe displays.
Treat your high-profile visitors to an absolutely unmatched wellness experience inside this breathtaking custom-built indoor guest spa oasis. Find absolute coastal zen within this pristine, sunlit yoga and meditation studio, boasting organic, light oak finishes. Crush your morning workouts inside this massive billionaire home gym, loaded with top-tier premium custom fitness gear everywhere. This magnificent indoor terrace lounge perfectly bridges pristine interior luxury with the absolute greatest Miami waterfront parties imaginable in your very own private luxury indoor nightclub room. Kick back in the casual media lounge, perfectly designed for weekend binge watching in the ultimate coastal comfort. Host unforgettable game nights in this incredible entertainment hall, featuring a fully custom modern white billiards table. Grab the popcorn because this fully acoustic plush velvet immersive cinema room rivals the best theaters on earth. Head upstairs to this spectacular secondary family lounge, offering another massive open-concept living space for total relaxation. Check out this spectacular custom heavy bike motorcycle collection gallery, featuring museum-grade lighting and impeccable, clean, minimalist finishes. This ultimate indoor children entertainment zone keeps the kids fully engaged while maintaining an absolute zero-clutter aesthetic. The family suite is incredibly spacious, bringing the bright Miami coastal aesthetic right into your kids' bedrooms. Every single bathroom in this massive mega mansion features perfectly executed architectural lighting and flawlessly polished stone surfaces. Your guests are treated like absolute royalty with this spectacular custom rain shower and pure gold finishes. Every single guest bedroom in this 55,000 square foot home is a masterpiece of design. The attached VIP ensuite bathroom delivers 5-star resort vibes with flawless marble and bespoke gold details. Even the walk-in pantry room features absolute design perfection with hyper-organized custom gold storage solution. The brilliant indoor dining extension lounge effortlessly blurs the lines between formal entertaining and absolute modern relaxation. This breezy breakfast nook is the ultimate sun-drenched spot to enjoy your mornings overlooking the bay. This massive indoor service kitchen extension gives your private chef unlimited room to prep elite multi-course feasts. Even the butler's pantry is completely out of this world, featuring flawless light oak walls and gold shelving.
Behind the scenes sits this incredible hidden prep kitchen to keep your main living spaces totally spotless always.
This primary master ensuite bathroom is next level. Pure white marble and champagne gold fixtures define true opulence. Welcome to your private sanctuary. The primary master bedroom offers staggering proportions and the freshest coastal chic aesthetic. Close multi-million-dollar deals in absolute peace from this incredibly sleek, Tony Stark-inspired executive home office setup.
This master kitchen is completely insane. You get double marble waterfall islands and the most premium appliances available. Look at the unbelievable scale of this primary living lounge. It perfectly captures that ultimate Miami open concept.
Step inside this absolute masterpiece. The grand entrance foyer sets the tone with soaring double-height luxury ceilings.